In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not secure in Chrome. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do if our connection is not secure is to try and change the www dot in our site's link. Let's try using HTTPS. And so you just want to change that to HTTPS and check if your site is secure. So if it still doesn't work, what we want to do is go to our web browser settings, or just here, just go to help and click on about Google Chrome. We want to make sure that our Google Chrome is up to date. If it's not up to date, you want to update your Google Chrome to the latest version. The next thing we want to do is simply go to our privacy and security settings. From here, we want to click on clear browsing data. And from here, just clear all of your cache files. So just check here on the cached images and files and simply click on clear data. And I hope this fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.